Hi friends, in this session we are going to see how to write a Python function with arbitrary arguments. We have seen how to define a function without argument, with argument, and also with optional arguments. When we are not sure about the number of arguments, Python allows to specify the arbitrary arguments using asterisk followed by the parameter name in the function definition. The number of values passed to the function can be 0 or more. The values passed to the function will be stored in the form of tuple. A tuple is an ordered list of elements which are immutable. The elements in the tuple can be accessed by using its index or iterating through the elements. Let us define a function which accepts any number of names as arguments and prints the individual's name followed by the message, "Your salary has been credited to your bank account." Let us see this in practice. Def function name, that is greet, within bracket star parameter name, that is names, colon. Within the function we iterate through the elements using the for loop, that is for name in names. Within the for loop print hi curly braces /n, your salary has been credited to your bank account. Use the format function to print the name in title case. While calling the function, use the function name and open and close the bracket. Here we have not specified any arguments, so it will not produce any result. Let us call the function with few names as arguments, then execute the program. Now you can notice for each name it prints the message, "Your salary has been credited to your bank account." Now you can write a function which accepts any number of numbers and finds the maximum among them. When writing a function, if there are no arguments specified, you display a message, "Please try with one or more number of numeric values." So you can use the len function to check the number of values passed in the parameter. Thank you for watching.